Hey everyone, another Luxe highlight for you. I'm looking in the back of the 16-foot garage with side patio. This is a Luxe luxury toy hauler, 16-foot garage with a side patio. You got a lot of outside living space in this toy hauler. This ramp door is actually an electric ramp door. No need to break your back on this one. It's a 5,000 pound rated, so you can get your toys up into here. Lots of garage space. You got a little work table over here. Very nicely added touches in the back here. You got a nice TV there. There's your little worktop with a solid surface counter. We can swing around here. We've got a half bath in this garage with a glass backsplash. This is real glass. Got a stainless steel sink, another solid surface. Nice little half bath here in the back. We're going to swing around here, look into the living area. You've got a huge opposing slides in this. I love saying that, opposing slides in your living area. You look right straight ahead. We've got your entertainment area. Fireplace is going into that. Swing around this area. Beautiful Brazilian maple hardwood cabinetry in here. Lots of storage space. Hard, solid surface. Countertops with a beautiful stainless steel dual bowl sink. Swing around here. We're going to go into the bedroom area. A couple steps up here. And you've got a full-size bathroom. That's an actual tub, what you're looking at there. You can get in that. A 6-foot person easily can fit into that. This is a nice one-piece fiberglass tub with residential metal fixtures. Going to go right over here. They're putting in the slides in this bedroom area. It's kind of hard to see, but they've got the slide right over there in the bedroom area. Lots more storage space. Washer and dryer will be going. You got a slide out TV over there. Excellent. Hey, if you want to know more about our 16-foot garage with the side patio, give us a call, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com, and you have a great day. Ask us about our luxury toy hauler with the side patio. Thanks.